All right, are we live? How's it going? See who we get in here today. How's the markets looking? I haven't even really checked. Still not looking great, huh? Let's see. Got Ibrahim in the house, Silver's in the house. I appreciate that always. What's up, Derek? How you doing? T13's here. That dude in the house, he says they're still bleeding. You come on early on the weekend or something? No, it's just whenever. I figured I'd get it started and get it over with. There's really nothing going on with anything in the markets here. I did see BNB was moving. Yeah, BNB got a nice little buyback. Again. What's up, Cryptomyalysis? Just got to the gym. What's up, Jared? We got Lynx Cater in the house. How's it going, my man? I guess Alien Base and XCN real quick. XCN. Yeah, what is XCN doing now? XCN's nearing the break point, I think. Especially if we zoom in on the 4-hour chart, this thing's got to do something soon. It's either about to break down or go up. She's getting squeezed. But yeah, there's no change on XCN since the update earlier and pretty much last night. We're still getting squeezed here. Alien Base. Did she ever recover? Oh, Alien Base is taking a hit again. Yeah, was that it for Alien Base? This thing broke the whatever trend it had. It back tested it perfectly and just coming back down again. Only positive thing I would say on Alien Base is if it can hold the previous high here at 13 and put in the higher low. If you can put in a higher low here and hold, maybe that's bullish and then it'll push you back up. But yeah, right now she is coming down. She's almost there. Another 4% drop. Loving the look of VEE. I don't remember what this one's doing. Oh, she's going up. Oh, that's this one. So she's still holding up here. There's really nothing to do with the chart. Just as long as you're over 3.8 here, you broke the high. Possible. Almost 100% move left at up to 10. Yeah, there's nothing I can really do on the chart here. It's either going to make it up to 10 or it's going to pull back. But I think we were looking at this last night. Yeah, 236 and the high are the same. So as long as you're over 38, you're bullish. But yeah, not looking bad at the moment. Are we about to turn around? Bitcoin about to pump? You're gonna go play some Yu-Gi-Oh tonight? He's gonna play do a duel and some Yu-Gi-Oh. Who do you play Yu-Gi-Oh with? I haven't played that in years. What do we think? Carrot, what's up a nail? What's up, Celtic War? Um, yeah, we all want to be rich, but just got to pick the right coin, I guess. Yeah, carrot's doing nothing from last night. It still can't get over the 236. This doesn't look good at all. Carrot's going in the wrong direction. But we'll just draw on the chart. So you have the double top and it fell off the table. So 20 to 23, if you can get above those, you can confirm some sort of a bottom, but it doesn't look good at all. Guess we draw here on carrot. I get the right tool. Yeah, if we draw there, you're sitting right on the 1414. So if you want any sort of support, 15, we take that out and we break the low again at 13, then 1618 would be another 28% drop down to 12 on carrot. What's up, Slava? How you doing? Yeah, Bitcoin needs to move already, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna. Man, what'd you say? Oh, turbo. Turbo. Yeah, we still may be going down a lot further. I watched another Ben Cohen video today about where's alt season, and there's no alt season. His whole thing is the altcoin, the Bitcoin pairs for altcoins need to go down like 20%, 20 to 25 more percent. So there still may be a lot of downside for a lot of these coins. We'll see what happens though. But carrot, I mean, not carrot, turbo. Let's see. I don't know where we have this drawn from. So you're below the 236 and the 786. So you really got to get back above 4. That's the only bullish thing you can say about turbo here. It has to hold 4. So it's trying to put in a bottom off of that wick there. But you can clearly see we already got daily and 3-day candle closes below. And we're getting stuck. So not a good look on turbo. So turbo would still be technically bullish even all the way down here. Another 54% drop. Let's see. What's up, Eldor? Hold on. Oh, yeah, God's Unchained. As soon as money printing starts and quantitative easing, yeah. I mean, we're so far away from that still. These coins are already dying. Not all. There was some stuff pumping today. B&B, I saw Gods was pumping. I can't remember what else. It's just pick and choose. Yeah, Gods has done nothing. Got a nice pump, but it's still down below the macro 236, but it's going completely sideways here. Not sure the last time we looked at this one, but needs to get over 27 and then 53 to be bullish, of course. Other than that, the low to the high. Yeah, she came down and hit the final support and held and bounced. He's stuck at the 0.5 at the moment. But once you get over the 236, 382 there, back over 27, 28, short-term bullish and long-term bottom is in. But even though you're moving, there's nothing bullish on the chart. There's lower highs, lower lows, and you're going completely sideways. But God's 618 retracement would give you a 7x. And if you think this thing can hit $1 billion market cap up to 330, that's where you get your 15.5x and $1 billion market cap. Take a look at BTC. Yeah, that one coin we looked at last night, that Burra coin, that thing is still going down. Yeah, there's nothing to look at on BTC. She's not doing anything. She's still holding up in the, still macro bullish. You can clearly see bull flag. But it just refuses to go up. I don't even know what to draw on here for Bitcoin. Oh wow, all those daily candles are holding the 618 perfectly. So 96.4 looks like support. So if Bitcoin takes out 96.4 with a daily candle, yeah, daily candle. So if a daily candle closes below, then we're going to simply drop 93K. Would be up next. But hopefully we get a run out of here. That's something else we need. We need Bitcoin to fly. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. Sui, Ondo. Still holding our support level if I could get this to fix. So you're still holding the low to the high 236 here. Let's see. I say that, but you probably had to close below it already. Yeah, same thing we went over last night. There's daily closes closing below support levels, and things aren't looking great. So if you can manage to hold 304 on the weekly and the 3-day candle here, double support, $4 would be your price to beat. Yeah, down 26% on this one on the week. But yeah, there's a lot of room down to go. We're probably in here again, to where we're going to crawl around and go down and then back up. Unless something strange happens and the markets just take off and Bitcoin carries everything with it. But the first big target on this one, I would say, well, we got $10, $11 here. 3.5x, but then 50 billion market cap on SUI, $17. Is Ondo still getting stuck? I guess I better go back over to the chat. What's up, Metal? How many XRP should you hold? How many do you have? I honestly don't know where XRP is going. I used to think $5 would be the top for it, but now I think it's going past that. Let's see. We're looking at Ondo and VVV. Ondo. Yeah, Ondo just can't seem to push through here. It's still technically doing what it was doing back here. Bear flag, back test for 3 candles, and then it died. So we're 2 candles in now. Back testing the bear flag on Ondo. But you're getting stuck at the 382 as long as you're over, what is that, 119? Bottom is in for now. You got to break over 134 to be bullish, and then break out over 160 on Ondo. Until it gets over 160, there's no bullishness on it, in my opinion. This one, yeah, what are we looking at here? Are we still in our pattern here? Let's adjust what's happening. So you're still in a 4-hour rising wedge pattern. This looks just like the Velo chart. So this thing's either going to break down or just continue going up. So it all really depends with this one. Just to be clear, this is a very bearish setup. But you're over the 382, so as long as you hold over 564, you're technically bullish here to continue pushing. Got to get over 740. Clearly, if you can get over 740 here and push up to 9, then you can throw this pattern out the window. But as of right now, it doesn't look good. And it's a 4-hour chart, so it's going to play out very quickly. But yeah, another coin that could easily drop 40%. I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't buy this coin because there's no telling. Same thing with Velo. Now that we're seeing the same thing on Velo, I don't even know what it's doing. What is Velo doing? But you also got to realize this is a weekly time frame, so but it looks exactly the same. Let's see, what's up, flip coins? Hoping we reach 26 for XEN. A couple thousand XRP. ZBEC. Yeah, we look at ZBEC every time. Yeah, we're getting a nice little bounce off the bottom of this rising wedge pattern. So as long as you're over the 3.2, it looks like you're going to come up, hopefully, back to the top here. 113% move to 4.5 on Velo. But I'm still waiting to see if this thing's going to break out to the upside or actually break down. I don't know. And is FET going to bounce back? I don't know. What is FET doing? I think FET and Render, all those ones that have the same exact chart, I think they were breaking down. It'll bounce back at some point, but there's just no being bullish right now until a lot of things come together. And let's see. Yeah, right now you're holding low to the high 382, so you're technically bullish here. You're back down here. So 71 is your support. You have to get back over 110. But it'll bounce back at some point. At some point, we got to have some sort of a rally. So these things don't completely die. Especially if the Bitcoin pairs are all going to have to go down another 20-25%. Isn't that going to just kill these coins? Yeah, Fed will bounce back eventually. It's still overall macro. You can clearly see higher highs and higher lows. Even recently, it just doesn't look good. But we went over that last night. Recently now, lower high, lower low. So even though you're macro bullish, short term here doesn't look good. You created that market structure that tells you it wants to go down. Yeah, we need some. Yeah, we need something to move. I guess it's metals here. We look at Jasmine. Jasmine, what is Jasmine doing? She's still holding over too. Yeah, nothing's changed on Jasmine. Arrow will have its day again. Just like back in the day when we all invested in it in here. That's what I want again. That felt so good, even though I lost all my money because I had to hold. We tried to stay bullish and we just kept going down. But that was a nice feeling. But it didn't last. Yeah, Arrow's curled up here too. Higher highs, higher lows, holding the trend, holding the 382. Unless it's going to break down like a lot of things we're seeing. But right now, as long as you're over 79, you're good. You're holding a trend. You need to get back over 89 and then 129 to be bullish again. Yeah, someone said this thing would be lucky if it hits $5. Is that the case? 6x to 5. But Ondo, no matter what Ondo does, I think Ondo's gonna perform well once it finally gets moving. Oh, what did we get? 279 from Solon. I appreciate that. What's your thoughts on Mog? Mog, I appreciate the 2. It's Mog on Coinbase. It's doing what everything's doing. There's nothing really to say. This is what we were looking at on Arrow. Everything we're watching just seems to keep breaking down, so Arrow could do the same thing. But yeah, this one just broke support. Broke the little trend it had. Made a lower low, so not a good look as of right now. Unless you can get back over 1-0, this thing just looks like it wants to take a dive. Yeah, you just hit the 786 and bounced. But if you can't get back over that level, then it's just going to continue the slow descent down. Drop back down 26% and then possibly 50%. So these coins that are breaking down like this, there's a good chance we get like a 50% drop soon. It's going to be brutal. But if it stays where it is and claws its way back up, 3618 to, what is that, 403, maybe hit 4, getting a 40x there, 43x. We bought $200 of Hondo today. It's in time for the bear flag rally. Hoping for a cheap arrow for our Sunday night dumps. I don't know, it could be the next one up to break the trend and start breaking down. He says, what's wrong with AOS? It's the whole market. It's just like we just saw with gods. You had to go all the way back to the bottom just to get a nice bounce and get you bullish, but then it's just over. Yeah, AOS here. I think we looked at this last night. Yeah, daily close below support. Not a good look. Maybe you're going to hold the top of the channel here and bounce back over 43. If not, I don't know where I can draw this from. Yeah, I mean, if AOS can't get back over, you're right on a 0.5. It looks like a 37. Another easy 30 to a 50% drop in play, especially if it falls back into the channel there. Yeah, nothing's looking good right now. Yeah, we looked at gods already. Just a simple bounce so it didn't die. But yeah, until you get gods back over 27, bottom's not in. And breakout where it got stuck last time, 382 at 53. Yeah, not a bad daily candle though. Go down to the 4 hour and we'll just get one little price to see if we're going to stay bullish here. No, you're still above the 382, so as long as the price of gods can stay above 19, then you have a shot. And you have a shot at this larger candle continuing to push up here. Hearing port is a gem. Oh, yeah, well. So what do you guys think about tonight? Should we know what XEN is going to do? Yeah, well, the same thing we'd say everything on well. We've been saying it since it broke support. It made the higher high. Same thing we're looking at on Spell and so many other coins. They put it in the higher high and then back to the trend to put it in the higher low. And that's what we went over last night on well here. You're almost there though. 618 coming up, tagged a trend, dropping over 20%, and then we'll see if we hold and bounce and go back up. Well, what else did we say? Warts. Oh yeah, ZBAC. But there's nothing moving, like really moving. We're just getting little protection bounces. Yeah, ZBEC's not doing anything. It's going completely sideways still. Still over the 786, so as long as you're over 8.1, bottom is in. And back over 1. 2.0 is 1 to confirm bottom. Yeah, other than that, it's not doing anything. Still plenty of time to buy this coin. But potentially on the final support level. I mean, maybe you get another wick down like you did back here, but it's been accumulating for so long. I would imagine this thing, once it wakes up, it's going to fly. Where's it going to fly to? No idea. Maybe a billion market cap to a penny, to a 20x. Wart. Yeah, I bet they have trouble when someone launches a new coin, like Wart. They have trouble trying to find what to name their coin. Yeah, Ort's another one that broke down. So you're down below the low, you broke the trend. And we're seeing a lot of these newer coins do this. So you're still dropping another 28% in my opinion. Link, I think Chainlink. What is spec? I don't know what spec is. Link. Yeah, Chainlink's in the same spot. She's about to break down if she doesn't hold here. Looks like what we looked at a minute ago, what, FET? So we're trying to hold potentially a bullish pattern here, but we're making lower lows and lower highs and just not looking great. But when Chainlink finally runs, it's going to be a monster. And you're down below the 382, so let's see if we got to close. Yeah, everything is getting daily closes below support, so nothing looks good. So unless you can get back over 1860 here, you're not bullish anymore. Inside your bull flag. But Chainlink, where's Chainlink going? $100? If Chainlink can go from today and hold up and break out, maybe 150 for an 8x. Yeah, I was looking at TARS AI today. Let's see. Hit the like, says Rich. Swift coin. Probably hasn't changed since last night. Yeah, still in the same spot. Technically bullish because you're over the 3.2 and you're over the 2.3 here. But ultimately it's not doing anything. But if it can stay over those prices, you have a shot at moving up. But it could pull a well, a spell, and all these other coins and come all the way back down. I don't think it is, but we'll see because it's pulled so far away. But yeah, if you can ever get Swift Coin over 4, she'll probably just shoot straight up to 10 here. From today, a 280% move up to 10 would be your next big target. Ski Mask Dog. What is GeoJam? He says, look at GeoJam. Got delisted from Uphold and also Gemini's delisting Jam. Jam. Never heard of it. GeoJam. Yeah, this thing looks horrible. It's up almost 5%. Yeah, I've never heard of this coin. When did it come out? In 2022? It was a rug pull from the beginning. Let me go open deck screener. Need to hurry and make some money though, because I don't know how much life my laptop has left, to be honest. It froze up on me today, and then when I tried to get back on it, it was just a completely black screen. Then it finally booted up, and I can hear it right now. The fan and everything's humming really loud. I've had this thing too long. All right, deck screener. Ski mask. I have to tell him to connect a wallet. Oh, come on, deck screener. What are you doing to me? All right, hold on. I don't know what's happening here. Oh, deck screener. Hold on, we may not have deck screener today. They're wanting me to connect a wallet for some reason. TARS AI is on the hold. All right, let me see if I can fix deck screener. I don't know what's. A new way to connect. Oh, come on. All right, we're gonna have to hold off on deck screeners. No ski mask dog. Wait, are they trying to... Is something trying to scam me? Deckscreener.com. The Deckscreener website looked extremely weird. The address bar didn't look right. Dude, that was a scam site. Alright, I got the real Deckscreener open now. I don't know where that came from. Oh, that jam is apparently backed by Mariah Carey and other big celebrities. Now what are we looking for? Yeah, maybe that jam coin's a good short opportunity. Crypto Meowlis is gonna go short jam. Alright, let me get this off the screen. Geo jam to 0. Pepe. Yeah, someone asked last night, would I buy Pepe or Shiba? Probably Pepe, but I don't think I'd buy anything right now. The fact that we could still go down a whole bunch. But Pepe's another one trying to hold the trend here. Over the 1272 at 8. We can get back over 10 and then 16 here. But the big thing right now is holding. But could be the bottom. Yeah, you just hit the 618. Low to the high 618 and the 1272. So not a bad spot, but if it breaks down, it breaks down. Yeah, Pepe, a 28, 29x to 100 billion market cap possible. All right, let me see if I can get the Deckscreener up now. No shorts for you. Yeah, another good one to short right now is, what's it called? That Burra coin that we looked at last night. That one that got listed on Coinbase. And they rugged it like VV. Yeah, someone tell me the next coin to be launched on Coinbase. What's the next one up? The next rug, so I can go short it. Yeah, they just launched this one on Coinbase and just rugged the hell out of it. Just keeps doing bear flag after bear flag. Starting another bear flag. Either that or it's gonna die. It's horrible. Did we see the Pepe Ascension coin launch? What is that on? Deckscreener? Yeah. Lately, every time Coinbase lists a coin, it goes to 0. So next one up. Maybe it'd be a good opportunity to short it. OXT the next 100x. So why are you so bullish on OXT? What is so special about OXT? Besides the melting bull flag you're trying to be in. So is this considered a bull flag still with wicks all over the place? I guess. Yeah, did you buy the dip on it? All the way down past 8? I hope it 100X's for you. That'd be nice. You zoom all the way out and look at it. Uh-oh. Not too bad looking on the monthly. Big double bottom, higher low. Oh, he says 100X. Yeah, 9 cents. I could pull a Cardano and hit $3. Maybe you get a 40X. All right. It started out as a VPN, but now they're DPN, decentralized storage, fixed supply, and have token burns. Okay. And it's on Coinbase. No idea how high ZBEC's going to go. It's been consolidating forever, so if it does move, it'll move hard probably. Atom coin? What is Atom coin? Atom. Yeah, what's your price target? If you can hit $7, it'll be a 75X. No XT. Are you talking about Cosmos? Cosmos is a piece of crap. There's nothing bullish on here. But it is monthly. But if this is the one you're talking about, Cosmos, was just the Coinbase chart, there's probably a better chart. Because hasn't Cosmos been out since 2017? Atom, Cosmos, where are we at? Yeah, I don't know why I used the Coinbase charts. Oh, there's another one. See Cosmos. Oh, good lord, this is going to take forever. Go sources. Kind of see if there's a Gate.io chart just really quick. I don't feel like talking about Cosmos and having it wrong. I'm going to waste my breath on Cosmos, and I want it to be a little bit right. The hell is that? Cosmos. Oh, I guess not. Oh, it's unfortunate. Alright, we'll just stick with the Coinbase chart. But yeah, low to the high on Cosmos, weekly, monthly, whatever you want to look at. It is holding the 618, so that is a positive. Cosmos is going down since 2022. delete the right side of the graph to be bullish. Yeah, is Cosmos going to run? Yeah, people have that trouble sometimes. They try to super chat and it just doesn't work. I don't know what the deal is on YouTube's end or the user end, I guess. Blast. What do you mean by blast? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do an update and a look at Cosmos here because I haven't looked at it in forever, and this is probably, I don't even know what this is based on. All right, any deck screener coins because we'll run the deck screener. SEI, I think it's still breaking down. Yeah, there's nothing bullish on SEI. Ever since it broke the trend and broke support, it's just bearish. Just made a lower low. You're down below the 618. So if you're looking for any sort of a bottom, it looks like it's going to come down to 16. Especially off the lower low there. Very bearish market structure. Another 28% drop on SEI unless it can get back over 24 and hold. And then ultimately break back over the trend 382 at 44. Yeah, there's no one here. You know we're bearish. Only 38 people in here. I hope we don't get that bearish again where we have like 10 people in here every day. All right, let's pull up the right deck screener. All right, deck screener. There's scams all over the place. Ski. Oh, it's right there. What are we on? 3-day chart, weekly? I mean, you're still holding up. If you look on the weekly here, you're just doing what everything's doing. All these coins are trying to hold these consolidation patterns. So you can call this a little channel flag, whatever you want to call it. But you are down below the 1272 support. It was holding. Yeah, and you just tagged the 236 at 77. So bullish over 77. If you lose that, then it's simply coming back down to the previous high. But the fact that you're below that and getting stuck, yeah, it's a 30% drop just to get back down to 77 there. You can see that. But you broke support, it's resistance now, and you're trying to stay bullish over the 236. But if you can push back through 12.4 and move on up, and that's a massive move. New high 5.5 would get you 4.5x, and then after that, there's nothing stopping you. It looks like from shooting up 80% or at 80x. It's like $9. But I don't see why not if it has another huge move like it has been. What does me mean? Oh, we had it on a small screen too. Extra small. Let's see. Yeah, you got to tell me what me is. I saw you type that earlier, but I don't know what that means. If that's a coin. This on Solana. Magic eating. Maybe this is what you're talking about. Well, the volume came flowing in. Can't even do anything with this. I can, but just hold on. Now this thing came out, they pulled the rug, and now it's trying to come back to life. 200 million market cap. There we go. So right now it is stuck. Come on. Yeah, you're stuck right at resistance right now. 236. Like clockwork. So if we can get over 182 here, it's like it's at 184 at the moment, but you can clearly see the wick in the candle. It's getting stuck. Bullish over 251. But if this thing's going to move up, 786 retracements, a 3.5x. And what you're probably looking for though is a new high for this thing to wake up and do a 10x to 17 bucks. Yeah, if you bought the bottom here and you got this little move, what are you up? Oh, not too bad, I guess. He said to zoom in. Where's the button at? There, maybe we should start doing deck screener coins like this. Is that better? Just get all the nonsense off the side. Anything with utility is what's going to kill it this year. Is that what we're seeing already? Yeah, did you buy the bottom on me, Martin? Alright, with it on full screen, how do I look at other coins now? Yes, just exit. Yeah, this soul coin. Toshi, just because we're here. Toshi couldn't hold. Top is in for Toshi. Did Stack hold up or did it break down? Oh man, there's just nothing safe. Unless that turns into a wick and you get back over the 1618. This neck looks like it's dying. 7% drop to support. And I forgot the full screen again. Why is this moved? So is that the top for meme coins? Is it all over? Yeah, that coin's up, but it's stuck right now at resistance, so. But I imagine if you bought it, you're waiting for a moonshot on it. There we go. Looking for used car. What has used car been doing? Oh God! No wonder Flipcoin's never here anymore. These coins are dying. There's just no end to the bearishness. Couldn't hold. Wow. Do the same thing we saw in Billy now. We're just going to keep moving this down every time we look at it. New low after new low. Alright, I guess everything on deck screener is bearish right now, so we'll just go back over. What am I looking for? I think I saw someone say Cody. Is anyone going to buy this coin? He's on final support. So if we don't go up from here, some of these coins don't get a nice little bounce. These things are going to start dying one by one. But yeah, you can clearly see you hit the 786 perfectly, and you're holding the 236, so it should be the bottom. It doesn't look good, but so if you can hold over 7.2, back over 1.1 to be bullish here. 11 up to 13. I can't believe all these coins are going back to the lows. And some may go lower. Yeah, I don't know what Cody is, but if Cody can potentially hit a new high, 1272, what is that? $1.50? That would get you a 20x from today on potential bottom. Bear chain is about to skyrocket. What makes you say that? What do we got? Yeah, what's up, Shadow? What's up, You Grow, I Grow? AWR. Oh, we're retired on Solana. What is that, a coin? What, has he not been streaming? This is the Shadow Realm. I've been in the Shadow Realm forever. What are we looking at? Cody. Yeah, we looked at the bear coin already. Come on, get off my screen, get out of the way. Oh, he hasn't been streaming at all. Yeah, did you guys see the Trump coin possibly bottoming out? I know I'm missing stuff in the chat, but I'm still bullish on ABT. What is it doing? I think you're flipping bearish on everything because nothing's holding up. What is ABT doing? Just move the screen. Yeah, we're still holding up. I don't know what we have drawn here. Oh, bullish pattern to make us bearish. But ultimately, as long as you're holding, this is our new arc block chart, by the way, has way more history. So as long as we hold the 382 at 93 and the 786 here at 90, if you fall lower than that, then no, not bullish anymore. But you're still consolidating here. Yeah, hold on, I'm trying to see something. XLM. Yeah, it hasn't really changed since the last time we looked at it. This ugly bull flag that we're in. But low to the high, just keep it simple. As long as XLM's over 28, you are still bullish. Any lower than that, then we're just going to throw the flag out the window and you're not bullish anymore. And then these coins are going to end up breaking down. And clearly break over pretty much 43, 786 for a move up. Oh, wrong one. But when we zoom all the way out, stellar lumens, still in the triangle pattern here. So we should get a breakout at some point if it doesn't die here. $2 to $4 on XLM. 7x, maybe up to 12x. 250 to 4. Corium and Solo. Corium. Yeah, same thing with Corium here. Little bull flag in play. Still looks bullish, but other than that, you're going sideways. It looks like your breakout, once you get over the 236 to confirm the bottom end over about 24, then you should break out of this little flag pattern. It hasn't moved since we looked at it last, it looks like. So next stop up, 270% move at the 302 to try to get over 60 to be bullish here. But she's still holding up in the bull flag here. Just hoping this one doesn't turn into a large channel. It's still holding up. So as long as you stay above 14.5, 0.5 where you're holding right now. What is this, Corium? Yeah, Corium has good. Just to hit a 618 in a bull market, 16.5, almost a 17x. And then if you think it can come up here, 17, almost a 50x, so 47x to a 786 retracement. But I like it for a 618 retracement. Solo. There's just too many coins. What the hell's going on with Solo? This thing's breaking down, it looks like. Alright, so Solo, not the greatest look at the moment. It's getting stuck right at the macro 382 and 236 here. Or it did, now it's all the way back down. So as long as you're below 39.5, 40 there, there's a real good chance this thing's going to 36% drop on Solo. Yeah, you're down below the double 382. So 35 up to 40 or you're no longer bullish. And it puts you in play 20. I had a decent little run though. Solo, if it can possibly come up here and hit a new high and hit 22, 23 bucks, it's a massive move. 68x. 786 to 250 would get you a 7.5x on Solo. Yeah, volume's down across the board. Oh man. AVT says Boo Bear. Yeah, if AVT holds up, we're seeing things break down one by one. XCN. Same thing with XCN here. We're going to see if this is going to hold or we're going to break down. But XCN's a good pick. I don't know where you can buy it at, but just to hit a 3-2 retracement if it holds the trend here, and we'll pull another one up. You're looking at an 18x. 0.5 is a 50x, 55x, and then a 618 retracement in the bull market. 180x on Zen. Well, a little bit more. Alright, so 200x. If you think this thing's going to wake up and hit a 618, come on. But yeah, you just hit low to the high, 786, hit the trend. Ooh, I had to sneeze. And now you're back above the 618 at 12. So stair stepping our way back up. But as long as it's over 8.6, the bottom is in here. AVT. What are we on, 3-day? Yeah, same thing with AVT here. It tried to break down. So it still could. AVT could still break down here. We'll see. Either that or the bottom is in, which you're technically bottom in over 236 at 230 here. Bullish back over 3. Just keep in mind you just make a lower low. You're making lower highs and lower lows right here. So not surprised if it breaks down again. Ooh. But Ventus, yeah, Ventus is going to be a good one when it finally starts running. Low supply, low circulating, or low market cap, low supply. $500 million market cap to 40, maybe $45 to get you a 16, 17x. Ooh. He says that it's not doing that. Yeah, it hasn't moved for the last couple of years. You said 150x potential. He wants 150x out of AVT, he says. Come on. All right, so you're looking for $372 AVT from today. Pyth Network. Oh yeah, this is the one that broke down. So good thing is low to the high. You're holding though at 1272 at 17. But there's nothing bullish on this chart at all. Let's see here. Yeah, there's nothing bullish on it. I was going to say you could draw there, but there's nothing good. This thing broke the low. Doesn't look good at all. 17 could be the new bottom or not. I don't know. Need to get back over 22. I think we went over that last night though, or you're going to drop 17% down to 15. Yeah, your 236 is right there. So for any kind of bottom to be confirmed in, it has to get back over 22. And we're already an hour and 20 minutes in. Only 40 people here. Wow, we are bearish. Only one super chat on the night. Man, I can't wait till we flip bullish. Yeah, no one's asked for XCN yet. What's up, Beebs? I haven't seen you here in a while. Beebs making out of the shadow realm. Oh, man. Yeah, probably the pump's over on gods. Well, we'll see, but looks like a relief bounce from the bottom. Looks like it did back here. But it came up, got stuck at the 236, and she's coming down. I think we did we did this earlier. So to see if you're going to stay bullish on gods and maybe push back up, 4 hour low to the high, 19. As long as you stay above 19, you're technically still short-term bullish on gods. Yeah, but look at the trunk coin here. It finally came down here and it's consolidating. So bottom on trunk coin in at 17 or 15. Starting to curl up a little bit. But yeah, the pump on gods is probably done. Let's see. Velo or Velodrome? I don't know. Yeah, it seems like every time we come on here, week to week, it's just a new bottom, new bottom, new bottom. Oh, this one broke down, that one broke down. The ZBCN looks like a good play. Yeah, she's been going sideways forever, so once it finally moves, it's going to move. PNG. Sub crypto homes. PNG. What am I trying to type? Oh yeah, Velo. Someone said Velo. Velo is just curling back up from the bottom. Hit the bottom of your rising wedge, which is bearish. And then it's over the 3-2. She's moving right now. Load up, almost 17%. We're possibly heading for the top of the pattern here. 128% move up to 4.5. From the bottom there, possibly. Hello. Let's see. Come on, if I get anything to work. Yeah, is Velo about to take off to the top again? Man. Hold on, I'm trying to do something. Dang it. Just can never win. What are you gonna do? Loading up on Ondo, Moonwell, and Quant. Did we do Arc? No, we did not. Arc. What is Arc? Arc. I don't know what Arc is. Yeah, tell me what Arc is. AI Rig Complex? Is that what we're looking at? We got Derek for 10. I appreciate that. Thanks for checking all my requests. I appreciate the 10, my man. Not a problem. Spa. Yeah, who said? Yeah, I appreciate that a lot. Keeping the dream alive here on YouTube. Yeah, was that last Saturday when we had all those people in here? We were doing big time. All right, yeah, I don't know what I'm looking at here. Yeah, it'd be nice if we start going up next week. But yeah, I don't know what art corn we're looking for. Maybe it's this one. Let's see. All right, since I don't know if that was the right one or not, we'll spawn voxel. Spawn really quick. Yeah, spawn's in the same spot as. Spell and all these other coins that just made the higher highs. You're down below the 0.5. So we're going to see what happens. It's either going to continue to run here or come back down and put in a higher low. Yeah, depending on where we pull this here, you can see you clearly held the 236 there at 22. Smaller price to watch, 25. If you can stay over 25, you're bullish. 22 up to 25. And there's a chance you can try to push through 4 and then 4.5 here. But ultimately, higher highs got stuck, double top, could easily come all the way back down. So just be aware of that. Voxel. Another one on the bottom, just made a lower low. Oh, come on. Is this another Coinbase coin? Yeah, there's nothing at all besides consolidation bullish on this chart. You're making lower lows, lower highs. You just made a new low. So we're going to have to just do a whole new chart now that that occurred. But you got to get back over 22.5 to confirm bottom, and then 382 here, 280% move just to get bullish over 43. And then whatever this coin is, 618 retracement to bull market to 125 would be a 11x, and then the 786, of course. That was it. Okay. But yeah, another coin that came out. It's been going sideways since it came out. But like I said, there's nothing bullish right now on this at all. Yeah, once again on ZDEC, complete sideways. Holding your final support at 8.1. Voxel might get delisted. All right, let me put it back on ARC, and if we're going to stay on here longer, I got to get out of this chair for a minute. Wait, what am I doing? That was the wrong one. All right, so you said this is the right one. No idea what's going on with the chart, but it looks like you apparently just hit your final support and you got a nice little bounce going. All right. All right, let me switch this music. Slava's still here. All right, we've been on here for an hour and a half. No one's here, so yeah, I gotta take a break for a minute. I'll be back. Give me like 5 minutes. I can't even think anymore because this pair is just killing me. Get up and stretch my legs real quick, but I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Just had to get out and stretch for a minute. Oh, that's the wrong voxel. Harlem says, answer my question. What's your question? Uh, oh, this ARC coin seems to be bullish right now. Hit the 786, so next man up. Let's see. Get anything to work right. Yeah, once it gets over 19 to 20, bottom is in short term, and get back over the 618 here. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, if we draw it here, came all the way up to the 2, got stuck. Just daily candles. Bounced off the 382, and you're back over the 618. But where can this one go? 2618 at 88 would be a 5x. And then $1 would be a 7x. But if this one can pull potential ADA, if it goes to $2, you'll get a 10x. There's more than one voxel. V-chain. V-chain and D-gen. Yeah, is D-gen still dying? What is D-gen doing? D-gen's holding the final support here. So any lower than it is now, then it's just going to break down. Not that it's broken down already, or it has broken down. But a 45% drop if you lose 4 again. Then you get your daily candles back above. 3 days are holding, weekly's holding. So this should be the bottom for D-gen too. It really can't go any lower. V-chain. Yeah, we're just going to stop drawing bull flags. Well, the good thing on V-chain is you're back at the bottom. You held, you got stuck. So as long as you're over 2.7, the bottom is still in. And bullish back over 4. Clearly, you can see you got to get back 618, depending on how long it's going to take. Could be even all the way up here at 14.5. This trend may come back into play again because you got stuck perfectly at it. So bullish on V-chain once you get over about 14.5, 15 cents, I think. And then V-chain, if it's going to run 64, 65 cents, that would get you your 19.5x from today. But yeah, V-chain's another coin. I think this one's on Coinbase. It's slowly curling up here, higher highs and higher lows. So it just made the higher high. So the question remains, is it going to come back down and put in a higher low? You got your 618 right there, so maybe it already did. He says, did he go get coffee? Yeah, what's the... spell? Spell and Quant. Yeah, Spell's another one that hit the higher high, and since there's no alt season yet, we still run a high risk of everything coming back and putting in the higher lows if they're going to hold up. Yeah, that's exactly what we have drawn on Spell here. You're holding over the 236, so that's good. Bottom is in over 1. And depending on where we draw this at, let's see. Yeah, you can see low to the high, 786 retracements back down here. And you're below the 382, so you're not bullish anymore. You're holding support right now at 1. So any lower than 1, then there's a good chance this little squiggly line is going to play out all the way back down to 305 before we finally go up at some point in the future. But another coin, 43% drop possible. So if you're bullish on Spell, maybe that's where you add more. And QNT. If we find the chart here. Quant is like, what was the other coin we looked at? The Quant's still holding up in the very large macro monthly pattern, as you can clearly see here. That's exactly why I got stuck. So as long as you're over 71, the bottom is in. You have to get back over 100 to get bullish here, and that's your potential breakout. Finally, if we get a weekly, yeah, you got to get a monthly. You got to get a monthly close above this trend line here, and then that'll probably signal a breakout. The Quant hasn't really moved from the last time we looked at it. QNT possible $1,000 to $2,000, 1,000, 16 billion market cap for a 13x, and then 1,800 to 2,000, 20 to 22x. And if you're more bullish up to 5,000, then that's your 50x. I know there's people that call for 5,000 Quant. But we'll see. I don't know if that's possible. Kava. Yeah, I don't think there's anything bullish on Kava in there, if I remember correctly. No, Kava's just been going sideways and down, lower lows, lower highs. Nothing to see here. Until it gets back over the 236 at 58, the bottom is not in. And right now you've been holding 0.5. You tagged a 618, holding the 0.5. So the next one up is 49, and then of course the 236 here. But over 49, you're bullish again. And then over $1 macro bullish, and then breakout over 230. I don't know why I said it like that. Kava, if Kava can hit a 4 to 5 billion market cap, $4 to $5 here. We go from a 9 to a 10, 11x. And your moonshot would be $25 for a 54x. Yeah, we just looked at DGen. The bottom has to be in on DGen here. It hit the final support level, which came all the way down to the 786, and as of right now, it's holding. You can see the weekly candle, even though we do have daily candles below, but now back above. So this 4 level is either the bottom or you're going to fall off the table again. So that's why I say we need a bounce right now. 45, 46% drop down to 2 would be next up. We only got 30 people in here. What did you say? Just another bearish weekend, it looks like. Algo. Yeah, we haven't looked at Algo in a minute. We got just enjoying the hobby for 5. I appreciate that. Thank you for the live stream. I appreciate the 5, and I appreciate you being here. Appreciate all you guys being here for this bearishness. But I really do appreciate that. Algo's another one that we tried to stay bullish on. So we're still technically in the bear of the bull flag, but you can clearly see you're down below the double 3 too. So there's nothing bullish on it right now besides the bull flag, I guess. And then low to the high, we just tagged a 0.5. But if it goes any lower and starts breaking down, clearly the trend line at the bottom of the flag here, if we end up getting a close down here below 2.7, then it was a nice try for Algo. But if you can get back over 30, up to 33, bullish breakout is over 40. Then we'll finally get moving. But Algo, where's Algo going? Algo to a new high, maybe $4. That'd be a 14x, and then maybe $7 for a 25, 26x on Algo. If you want a way more conservative target for the next little run out of this bull flag, of course 75, but then $1.30 here, 4.5, almost a 5x. But we'll see what happens here. I mean, if Algo ends up breaking all the way back down to the 786 here at 14, that would be a great buying opportunity. So maybe she's coming back down for me. But if we do something like this and then go up in the springtime, summertime, because we did just put in the higher high, and now it's not looking great. Bear kicked up. Oh man, yeah, I'm tired of being bearish already. Yeah, you're right, she did. How'd you know that was going to happen? You got a crystal ball somewhere? So all I see is bear flag, down, bear flag, and now it's going up. I know patience is key, but this is getting ridiculous. Maybe XCN here is going to tell us what we're going to do here soon. Little tiny candle. Yeah, XCN's right at the end here. About to get our answer. Are we bullish or not? Yeah, ill skills here. He called it on bear. He said it was going to pump soon, and it's pumping. I don't know. I just did an update on Trump just because it's finally consolidating, going sideways, and this is kind of what we watched on XCN and everything else, just sideways action. But keep in mind, you're still making lower highs and lower lows. Only positive is off of that wick and this higher low, that yellow line here. That's a good question, though. Is the bottom in or not? Looks like a bottom to me, but I don't know. There's just no volume at all. Maybe we need to bring back the bullish music to get these things pumping. Is there anything moving? Like, for real? Yeah, I think this music's too loud. There we go. Alright, but yeah, I guess we're hitting that 2-hour mark, so I guess that's it. We pretty much covered everything. There's no one in here. We'll see what tomorrow brings. AVT is going to be a good play if it holds up here. It did already dip down once. Yeah, but didn't this candle happen because of the other YouTuber guy shilling it? But yeah, ABT, as long as you're over 229, 230 here, the bottom is in, it looks like. You're trying to hold the trend besides that wick that went through. But yeah, ABT, low market cap, low supply on Coinbase. ABT is going to be a winner. ABT to the new high, as you can see here, is a little over an 8x to 20. And then maybe the 1618, maybe you get a $40 ABT. Maybe it goes higher than that. That'd be a 17x. CLV, that Clover. Let's see. Yeah, Clover Finance. If I got the right one here. This thing's not moving. But yeah, Clover's like all the rest. It broke the previous trend, it back tested, and now it just looks horrible. Trying to stay alive here. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking about putting a short in on Vera, and then you said that earlier, and then I was like, nah. I've been thinking about trying to find something to do something with. All right, so 2 hours in, let me go over here and in the poll. I don't even remember what it was, but I appreciate you guys coming in here again. Hopefully, we'll be just a tad bullish tomorrow, and where we get a couple more people in here. Let's see. Come on. You didn't panic sell any of your crypto. Yeah, if we go down more, it's gonna get really rough. Wall Street Pepe, yeah, I think we've looked at that one before. But it's just another meme coin. Oh, I didn't even realize we got 10 more subscribers and we hit 12,000. It's been slowing down lately. But yeah, I didn't even realize that. 10 people and then we're at 12K. All right, let me try to end the poll real quick. Wait, is tomorrow the Super Bowl? I guess it is. I'm out of the loop. So there'll be no one here tomorrow. Everyone's going to be watching the Super Bowl. Maybe I should get up and do a morning stream before the Super Bowl. What time does the Super Bowl start? All right. Oh. What did I do? Not bad. We got 71 likes for only 40 people being here. 102 votes. I guess that really does help. It's a madhouse here in New Orleans. See, that's how far of the loop I'm out. I don't even know where the Super Bowl is this year. Is it in New Orleans? 6:30. All right. Where can you watch the Super Bowl this year? Is it gonna be on Netflix or something? Okay. All right. With that being said, we'll leave it at that. I appreciate you guys coming in here. I appreciate the couple of super chats that came in. And at some point tomorrow, we'll be back at it again. Maybe I will do an earlier stream. Says, where you from? Texas. State of Texas. Yeah, we'll probably be at 10. We'll probably be at 12K subscribers when we get on here tomorrow. So that's nice. Oh, you're a Cowboys fan? Yeah, the Cowboys need to do a lot of work. But yeah, we only got 20 people left in here. So with that, I appreciate you guys being here. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.